Dog or puppy? Jim is learning English. He learns about animals. He learns the words dog, cat, sheep, cow, and goat. Do you know what a baby dog is called? It's a puppy. What about a baby cat? It's a kitten. Baby sheep, lamb. A baby goat is a kid. What about a baby cow? That's a calf. Wow, there are lots of words to learn. When I was a baby, I was called a kid. Haircut. My grandpa is 80 years old. One day, he asked me to give him a haircut. I'm only 10 years old. I've never cut anyone's hair before. How can I do this? I cried. But my grandpa said, try it, you can learn. So, I took the scissors and slowly, I cut my grandpa's hair. Luckily, Grandpa didn't have much hair. What do you think of your haircut, Grandpa? Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa is famous for helping poor people. When she won the Nobel Prize, many people wanted to have a big party to celebrate with her, but Mother Teresa had another idea. She suggested they use the money to buy food for the poor people instead. She said that the money for one big meal could buy food for a poor family for 1 year. Thank you for everything you've done for us. I care. Zach sees a man on the street. The man looks sad. He asks his dad why the man is there. His dad says there can be many reasons for that. Maybe the man has no job. Maybe he is sick, or he has not eaten all day. Zach stops to talk to the man. I am Zach, he says. I care about you. Here is a sandwich. I hope you like it. Thank you, Zach, the man says and takes the sandwich. Here is a sandwich. Watching the bird. My grandma is old. She stays in the house a lot. I ask her what she does all day. Grandma says, I like to watch birds. I sit here in my favorite chair and watch the birds all day long. Don't you feel bored? I ask her. No, I see many birds every day. Bluebirds, yellow birds, and blackbirds. They come to eat, play, and sing. It is fun to watch, says my grandma. You lovely bird.